You didn't mean to do it. Maybe you even fought against it. But now it's done and the weight of it is crushing you. The shame. The regret. That voice whispering, how could you? After everything. God must be so disappointed. If that's where you are right now, if you feel like you've failed too badly this time, then this message is for you. Don't scroll away. Because what you're about to hear could change everything. We've all been there. Moments when we stumble, when anger takes over, when temptation wins, when we make choices we never thought we would. And afterward? That heavy, sickening feeling. Like maybe this time we've crossed a line. Like maybe God's patience has finally run out. But here's the truth. One that might surprise you. God's mercy doesn't work like ours. Human love has limits. Human forgiveness runs out. But God? His grace doesn't expire. His love doesn't keep a record of how many chances you've had. And if you're sitting there, heart heavy, wondering if he still hears you, let me show you something powerful. Picture this scene from the Bible, Luke 15. A young man takes his inheritance early, basically telling his father, I wish you were dead. Then he blows it all on reckless living. Hits rock bottom. Feeds pigs just to survive. Finally, humiliated and broken, he decides to go home, not as a son but as a servant. He rehearses his apology, Father, I've sinned. I don't deserve to be called your son. But before he can even finish, his father runs to him, embraces him, throws a celebration. No interrogation. No, I told you so. Just pure, overwhelming love. That's how God sees you right now. Not with arms crossed, waiting for you to grovel, but with arms open, ready to restore you. 1 John 1 verse 9 says, If we confess our sins, he is faithful and just to forgive us and cleanse us from all unrighteousness. Did you catch that? Not some. Not only if you've sinned less than 5 times this week. So what do you do now? 1. Stop hiding. Adam and Eve hid after their sin, and it only made things worse. God already knows. Run to him, not away. 2. Receive grace. You don't have to earn forgiveness. Jesus already paid for it. 3. Get back up. Grace isn't permission to stay stuck. It's power to move forward. If you take one thing from this, let it be this. Your failure is not your identity. You are not the one who messed up. You are the one Jesus died for. The one he's calling back. The one he still has a purpose for. So take a deep breath. Whisper his name. And take the next step, not in shame but in grace. Because this isn't the end of your story. It's where your comeback begins. Remember, you are still loved, still wanted, still held by grace.
If this video has blessed you, let me know by hitting the like button, sharing it with someone who needs to hear this, and dropping your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for such videos that strengthen your walk with God.